if it's restored to its original beauty, so you keep walking towards it. That distinctive outline in the horizon of castle towers soaring into the sky. As the castle grows closer, you can see it's in its original condition, untouched, almost as if you've stepped back in time. How did they build these giant structures with only primitive equipment? And not only how did they build them, but why did they build them? This question brings up many curious thoughts and ideas to ponder on as you saunter through the green grass. You make your way to the heavy front doors, and they glide open as you approach, as if they weigh nothing. There are no pulleys, wheels, or wires opening these massive doors. Do you see that this entire structure was built with means beyond your comprehension? Concrete arches aligned with perfect precision. Tall, heavy columns that appear to be placed for decorative purposes only. But why? All this effort put during a primitive time into building such a colossal castle? The way that castles such as these were built seems incredibly advanced. Such structures are not attempted with today's technology. Perhaps from what you were told, you would have imagined a castle like this as dark and cold inside. But in here, it is warm, like a summer day, and everything seems to be slightly illuminated, almost like the structure itself is glowing. An overwhelming sense of harmony and balance comes over you, as if you are finally home. As you walk through this magnificent building, you hear the sounds of organ pipes. Beautiful music is filling the air. You allow for your ears to guide you toward the sound of music. You pass through an indoor orchard, growing oranges and apples in a contained climate. The oxygen is so fresh and abundant here. The sound you are experiencing is like music to the body, almost as if every cell in your physical body is being perfectly aligned along with the vibrations of the music. Without hesitation, you look to see who the organ player is, for this immaculate instrument takes great knowledge and wisdom to play with such beauty. Making your way around gracefully to find the keyboard, you see someone wearing a long ruby red cloak. The head is covered by a hood, and the cloak travels all the way down to the ground. The velvety fabric is moving along with the artist as they play. The feeling of compassion in your heart is expanding right now with love and harmony. This is truly a special person playing the organ. You hear a few high notes being struck, finalizing this grand song. And the figure turns around to greet you. The face that you see smiling back at you is your own, and you look happier than you've ever been. Without any exchange of words, you become one with this incredible being. feeling whole and complete as you were made to be. You begin to play another song on the organ. You can see your own hands moving effortlessly, creating another incredible tune in the moment. There's so much joy and pleasure in your